Hi friends, welcome. Today we have a nice equation 8x to the power 3 over 2n minus 8 into x to the power minus 3 over n is equal to 63, right? So how to solve this problem? Let's start. If we multiply both the sides by x to the power 3 over 2n, right? So 8x to the power 3 over 2n multiplied by x to the power 3 over 2n minus 8x to the power minus 3 over n multiplied by x to the power 3 over 2n is equal to 63 multiplied by x to the power 3 over 2n, right? Now this into this is equal to 8 into x to the power 3 over n minus here 8 is equal to 63 x to the power 3 over 2n. If we rearrange the equation 8x to the power 3 over n minus this 63 x to the power 3 over 2n minus 8 is equal to 0. Fine. So 8 into x to the power 3 over n, and we will break this as plus x to the power 3 over 2n minus 64 x to the power 3 over 2n minus 8 is equal to 0. Fine. Quadratic equation. Now x to the power 3 over n, 3 over 2n as common, right? So we have remained 8x to the power 3 over 2n plus 1, right? Now we will take this minus 8 as common. So 8 into x to the power 3 over 2n plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Now this and this as common, so 8x to the power 3 over 2n plus 1. So here x to the power 3 over 2n minus 8 is equal to 0, right? Now we have two cases, case first and case second, right? So if we take this 8x to the power 3 over 2n plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So x to the power 3 over 2n will be equal to minus 1 over 8, right? So x will be equal to minus 1 over 8 to the power this as 2n over 3, right? So x will be equal to 2 to the power minus 2n. right? If we go with the case second, this x to the power 3 over 2n minus 8 is equal to 0, right? So x to the power 3 over 2n will be equal to 8, right? So x will be equal to 8 to the power 2n over 3, right? So x is equal to 8h2 cube to the power 2n over 3, right? This and this will get cancelled out. So x will be equal to 2 to the power 2n, right? So we have achieved two values of x as x is equal to 2 to the power minus 2n and x is equal to 2 to the power 2n, right? Here minus and plus. Okay friends, thank you.